Welcome students to ND's English Grammar channel on YouTube. In this video, I have for cbse class 10 English supplementary reader The Making of the Scientist, some expected questions and answers for 25-26 exam. Short question: who was Richard Ebright? Richard Ebright was a brilliant scientist who grew up in Pennsylvania. From a young age, he was curious, especially about butterflies, and later became known for his research on cell functioning. Question 2. How did Ebright's mother help him in his learning? Ebright's mother encouraged his curiosity, took him on trips, bought him telescopes and microscopes, and supported him with books and worktable to help him on and explore his science. Question 3. What was the significance of the book The Travels of Monarch X in Ebright's life? The book opened the world of scientific research to Ebright. It inspired him to collect and tag butterflies and led to his interest in real scientific investigation. Question 4. What project did Ebright do in the 8th grade? In 8th grade, Ebright tried to find the cause of a viral disease in monarch caterpillars, which taught him that a simple project isn't enough for a science fair. Question 5. What lesson did Ebright learn from his first unsuccessful project? Ebright learned that a science project should have a definite purpose and must involve actual experimentation to stand out in competition. 6. Why did Ebright lose interest in tagging butterflies? He lost interest because only a few of the tagged butterflies were ever found, making the activity unexciting and unproductive for him. Number 7. What scientific achievement did Ebright make with DNA? Ebright and his roommate discovered how cells read the blueprint of DNA, which is a major advancement in the field of genetics. Question 8. How was Ebright as a student other than in science? Ebright was an all-round excellent in academics, a good debater, a fine public speaker, and a skilled canoeist and photographer. Number 9. What qualities made Ebright successful scientist? Ebright was curious, dedicated, hardworking, and had a strong will to win. He also had a keen eye for detail and was willing to work patiently for results. Question 10. How did Ebright's research benefit the scientific world? His research, especially in understanding how a cell reads DNA, contributed significantly to genetics and molecular biology. Now you have 4 long answer questions. Discuss the role of Richard Ebright's mother in shaping his career as a scientist. This question is important. Normally, a child is more attached to his mother, and mother is the first teacher, and mother can guide his child better than any other person. And this fact is proved by Ebright's mother. Richard Ebright's mother played a crucial role in his growth as a scientist. She noticed his curiosity early and encouraged him by buying science equipments, books, and even setting up a lab in their basement. She gave him time, support, and exposure to scientific reading such as the travel of Monarch X instead of pushing him towards his result. She let him explore and learn by doing. Her support and faith in him laid the foundation for his disciplined and research oriented mindset, helping him evolve from a butterfly collector to a notable scientist. Question 2. How did Ebright's scientific journey begin and how did it evolve over years? This is also very important. Ebright's scientific journey began in childhood with butterfly collections. His interest deepened when he read the travels of Monarch X. Gradually, he moved from collecting to experimenting. His initial science fair project in 8th grade failed, but he learned the value of a real research. Later, he won many science competitions with advanced projects such as proving that a hormone controls butterfly development. In high school, his DNA research contributed to genetics. This evolution from curiosity to contribution shows his growing maturity and scientific acumen. Question 3. What qualities and values led to Ebright's success as a scientist? This is also very important. Ebright was naturally curious and determined. He had a scientific mind, always making questions and looking for answers. He wasn't afraid of failure. Instead, he learned from it. He was hardworking and consistent in his efforts. Additionally, he balanced academics with extracurricular activities, showing discipline and focus. His supportive environment, especially his mother, encouraged, and his mentors like Dr. Urquhart also played key role. These qualities, curiosity, determination, discipline, and guidance formed the foundation of his success. Question number 4. Explain how Richard Ebright's story is an inspiration for students. This is also very, very important. Richard Ebright's journey inspired students to follow their curiosity and remain persistent. Despite early failures, he learned and improved. His transformation from a curious child to a renowned scientist shows that success comes through hard work, passion, and support. He teaches us that challenges are stepping stones and that real learning happens through experimentation and exploration. Ebright's example proves that with the right attitude, guidance, and dedication, anyone can excel not only in science but in life. So students, these are a few questions from the topic the making of the scientist. Please explore other questions, discuss your teachers and professors, and subscribe for ND's Grammar channel for more questions on supplementary. Thank you.